Hello, my pretties. Today I'm doing Halloween makeup. I know it's only September, but Halloween is really just around the corner. I decided to do a Harley Quinn inspired look, and I wanted to share my journey with you. I've never done this look before, so I'm just creating it on a whim. So we're gonna see how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my face. And now that the moisturizer is dried, I'm going to add a primer. After my primer is dry, I'm going to apply my foundation along with some contour and some concealer. Harley Quinn's look is usually quite pale face. This is the lightest color I happen to have in my makeup bag right now. If I was in the possession of a white cream, I probably would have used that, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to go with the foundation instead. Alright, so the foundation's on. I also used setting powder. I just used Dermablend setting powder. The only place I put the contour was just a little bit here in the cheekbones, and also around the jawline, just so that, it's some knuckles down just a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is go in with my eyebrows. Harley Quinn's eyebrows are a bit of a deep color. I want to say almost black, to be honest. I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. I wet my brush and I put a little black on it, and I'm going to start making little sweeps to make the illusion that I have eyebrow hairs going off in those directions. Into this one. What I love about Halloween makeup is you can do just about anything and it looks okay. I love experimenting with Halloween type looks. It's just a lot of fun. Next thing I'm going to is the eyes. I'm not going to do the red and blue Harley Quinn, I'm doing the red and black. And the purpose for that is because it goes with the outfit I have. I'm going to go ahead and add a base first, just close to my skin tone color. This is Fresh by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Closest ones to red that I feel like I can get is this ColourPop palette, Spoiled. So I'm going to try that first. See how that looks. Oh, it's pretty close. So I'm going to just kind of brush that on, go a little crazy with it. She's not perfect. Got a little craziness. Causing chaos. The Wild Child. Then I'm going to go in with, I have my Urban Decay Heat Palette in the Fuego, almost burgundy type of red. I'm going to put that in here just to deepen some of the red color in the corners. Add a little bit of depth into my eye. And I'm going to add some more Spoiled. Get that color in there really well. Blend. Now I'm going to go in with my black colors for the other side. I am using all matte colors. I'm not going with anything shimmery. So I'm going to be using the Void from my Stranger Things The Void palette. So I'm going in with a deep black color now. The next color I think I'm going to use is from my Urban Decay Smoky palette. It's called Password. It's kind of gray. I'm just adding the Password gray color just a little bit up here because I didn't want to bring the entire black, dark black, all the way up. I'm just making it a little smoky. Then I'm going to take my blend brush, kind of blend it out a little bit. I have this slate eyeliner. I'm going to add this underneath because I just want to make it look a little more dirty. It just has a kind of disheveled look about it. I'm going to use a little sponge to blend it out there. Maybe I should go in with the black eyeliner too. Maybe on the waterline. I'm not trying to be pretty with this by any means, obviously. I'm going to add some mascara. Then we'll move on to the loops. So you know what I decided to do? Because I have black under here, I'm going to add a little red under on this side. I'm going to add some of that spoiled color. I'm wetting the brush, very thin brush, and I'm just going to put it over that spoiled and go under the eye. There we go. So I have two lip colors. I've got it's from Stranger Things, from MAC. It is Rockin' Robin, which is red, and Skull Rock, which is black. I'm going to be adding the red first, because if I add the black first and then do the red and I get a little black on my sponge, then I'm going to add it to the red, and I don't want to do that. I'm going to do the red first, because if I get some red on my black sponge, that's fine, because yeah, it'll just go away. So I'm debating whether I'm going to do like half and half. No, I'm just going to do red in the middle and like black on the outside or something. Try that. See if I can overline just a little. Alright, I'm just going to add a little more up in here. I feel like the black one's a little further down than I wanted. Still I'm mixing. Oh wow. I think that came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. The last thing I'm going to try to do, which is probably a little crazy, is draw a little heart, which you usually have under the eye. So let's see if I can not mess this up. Added a little bit too much of the tail there. I'm going to clean that up with a Q-tip. Here we go. Okay, covered it back up. Not bad. Looks okay. Okay, I think the face looks fine. And then we're going to do the hair. So for this, I'm going to wet my hair and then put some leave-in conditioner spray into it so that it's easier to manage. So I didn't make it soaking wet. I just kind of damped it a little bit. And we don't want it to look too neat because we're crazy, right? I'm going to do some upstairs pigtails. Part it in the middle. Up. I'm going to use my comb to try to part a little bit down the middle as well. And then some of that up. I have these little tiny rubber bands. There we go. Get my own little rubber band going around the hair. What do you know? Kind of go in there and just sort of tease a little bit. Then get my hairspray. What? Kill everyone and escape? The voices. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. That's not what they said. Now I'm going to put on my costume and be back in just a minute. So that's it, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Please like if you like the look, subscribe if you aren't already, and comment if you have any comments, questions, and if you just want me to respond to. Thank you so much. See you guys next time. Bye!